I'm here to discuss the law of guns on trains or other public transportation. This is covered under the law we call California Penal Code, Section 171.7. This section specifically addresses the prohibition of certain weapons in public transit facilities. Here are the key details. Prohibited items. The law makes it illegal to knowingly possess any of the following in a public transit facility owned or controlled by the state or a local government agency, e.g., BART stations, platforms, trains, or bus terminals. Let's talk about the scope of phrase public transit facility. This includes buildings, platforms, or real property used for public transit, such as BART stations or other transit hubs. It does not explicitly include parking lots or adjacent areas unless they are part of the controlled facility. There are exemptions to these prohibitions. The law does not apply to ammunition. The code does not explicitly mention ammunition or magazines. Carrying a detached magazine with bullets in your pocket is not directly prohibited by paragraph 171.7, but it could raise issues if paired with a firearm, as it may be interpreted as intent to violate firearm laws, e.g., Penal Code, paragraph 25850 for loaded firearms. Additionally, California's large capacity magazine ban applies, restricting magazines to 10 rounds or fewer. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals just upheld the 10-round ban. Now, sterile zones, which are gun-free zones, can be designated by transit systems. Does BART, which is the Bay Area train system, have sterile areas? The ASN where is no. There are no sterile areas on BART. As clarified earlier, BART does not have designated sterile areas, like airports with mandatory screening, but that can change. Keep your eyes and ears open for signs giving notice, because they can make changes that surprise you and then take away your right to your CCW permit. Finally, a magazine with bullets in your pocket, detached from a firearm, does not constitute a loaded firearm under this code, but carrying both could lead to legal issues if not properly separated or if in a restricted area like a BART station. Local ordinances may apply as well. Some Bay Area cities or counties may have additional restrictions on firearms or ammunition in public spaces, including transit areas. The Second Amendment is going to be battered in state and federal courts on many issues. California has so many rules that they are hard to know or follow. San Francisco has rules about the types of bullets you can use. We support the Second Amendment and oppose these irrational restrictions, but our opinions may not keep you out of jail. Be careful, be prudent, and as you know, if arrested for a gun violation, be cooperative and polite. Let your Second Amendment lawyer do the yelling and fighting.
The law office of Daniel Horowitz specializes in criminal defense cases. If you're facing criminal charges and are concerned about the fairness of your trial, we can help ensure your rights are protected. We have experienced legal professionals on staff who are committed to handling every aspect of your case with care and attention to detail. Call us today at 925-283-1863. Again, our number is 925-283-1863.